my fans and fellow farmers around the world. It is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. So if you look at me closely, I made a video last time ago and I was showing us how I was able to, to move this, to make sure that this vegetable, they move. If you look closely, let me show us. The growth has stunted. I don't know why. I've been asking myself questions like, I don't really know why my vegetable farm, the growth is stunted. You don't understand? Not like there's rain, but this rain is not raining. You don't understand? This rain is not raining, and as a result, it is affecting the growth of this my. I have so many things which the sun has helped to stunt their growth. Like this vegetable you're seeing here. Also have corn over there, which the growth are also stunted by reason of too much of excessive sun. Let me not say rain. Excessive sun. That is why the growth are stunted. I believe so. So, but all things being equal, we are still expecting. You don't understand? We are still expecting to make sure that, okay, this one now has gripped itself, it will soon be going. This one I don't hold itself now. So there should be moving. Even this one also. So there is a sound of abundance of rain. Stop playing, because I am your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri. Stop playing. So this is it. You don't understand? So if you find my videos informative and this is the first time you're coming across my channel, or you're seeing my face, which I know you might not like my face, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one you're watching right now, because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video. You understand? Bye.